Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Hyundai Sonata. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a socket wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You'll also need new engine oil, typically around 5 quarts, and a fresh oil filter designed for your specific model. Always prioritize safety by properly lifting your car and securing it with sturdy jack stands before starting any work underneath. Once your car is safely elevated, place the drain pan directly under the oil pan. Locate the drain plug, usually a large bolt, and carefully remove it with your wrench to allow the old oil to flow out completely. While the oil drains, find and remove the old oil filter. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of new oil to its rubber gasket for a better seal, then hand tighten it securely. After the old oil has fully drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely, but do not over-tighten. Now, locate your engine's oil fill cap, usually marked with an oil can symbol. Carefully pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil, typically around 5 quarts, using a funnel to prevent spills. Once filled, replace the cap, start the engine briefly, then turn it off and check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary. Finally, lower your car and perform a thorough check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. It's crucial to properly dispose of your used engine oil. Never pour it down the drain. Most auto parts stores or recycling centers accept used oil for free. And hey, while you're keeping your car running smoothly, why not keep it smelling great too? Check the description for a link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals to enhance your driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.